Your money's sitting in your bank account doing absolutely nothing, and it's getting eaten away by the cost of inflation. But what if I told you in the next 10 minutes I can show you how to buy your first stock, even if you never bought a stock before? I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it, step by step. And by the end of this video, you'll have no excuses left. My name is Dean the Wealth Coach, your go-to guy for building wealth. Look, most people think investing is complicated because financial industries like the banks want you to think that. They want you to pay fees on something that you can learn to do in 10 minutes. I've helped over 500 people buy their first stock by getting over this big mistake. They all overthink it. Today, I'm going to fix that. Here's what nobody tells you about buying stocks. You don't need to understand charts, technical analysis, or fundamentals to get started. That's like saying you need to know how a car engine works before you can actually start driving. This is the real secret. Start simple, start small, start today. Because every day that you wait, you're losing your money to inflation, which is the cost of living. While you're researching for the perfect stock, your money is losing its value in a savings account. But before we dive in, I just need you to do one thing. If you can hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up to help with the algorithm. All right, so let's get you set up. I'm going to show you two platforms that you can use. One is Wealthsimple, so if you're in Canada, you can use this one. And the other one is Interactive Brokers. So if you're in the US, you can use this one. Canadians can use it as well. Both are user friendly and they don't charge crazy fees. So what you need to sign up is either your social insurance number or your social security number, depending where you live, a bank account, and 5 minutes. We're going to start with Wealthsimple. So you're going to go to wealthsimple.ca or .com, doesn't matter. You're going to click the two lines on the right side, and that's going to open up this. You're going to click personal. You're going to hit sign up on the bottom, and then you're going to put your preferred name, just one name. Enter your name for the account. So as you can see, I put first and last name. Fully wasn't paying attention. Then you're going to put your email address and then choose a password that is a minimum of 8 characters long. Then hit next. Then enter your phone number. This is to keep your account safe. Once you're verified, you can go back onto Wealthsimple and it'll ask you what type of account you want to open. You want to open the first one, which is open an account. Then you should see this screen, self-directed investing. You're going to click open an account. Use your finger and swipe to the left until you see investing. Then scroll down to non-registered. Then click self-directed investing and then hit next. Now you're going to fill in some of your personal information. So your first name, middle name if you choose to, and your last name. Now enter your birthday, year, month, day. Then click I understand and agree to the Wealthsimple private policy terms. Now enter your phone number just in case they need to contact you, also for verification. Few more questions, your citizenship and tax residency. So fill out this information here if you're from Canada or the United States, then click next. Enter your social insurance number here. I already have an account, so I wasn't able to redo it. I tried a dummy account, but obviously it didn't work. After that, they'll verify your account and then you're good to go and then you can deposit money. So now your account is open. So what you're going to do is scroll down and you're going to click add money. You choose from, so you can link your bank account. It takes about 3 to 5 days, or you can just go to Interact e-transfer. You click that one there. To which account? You go to your checking account or whatever account you want to open, your TFSA, and then you're going to put the amount. You don't need to put much. You can buy a share for even $1. Even $10, whatever you want to do, you can put up to $3,000. You put $1, hit next, then I'll take it from, or where I'll send the e-transfer deposit from, and then you hit submit, and then it will put the money into your account, and then it'll take maybe 2 minutes. Once the money's in your account, it'll look like this. Oh, my checking is blocked. Oh, and checking, and then look, you see $25. It's in my account, and I earned 0.01 interest. Lame, but that's pretty much it. Once you have your money in your account, you're ready to buy your first stock. So for Interactive Brokers, you're going to go to interactivebrokers.ca, hit go, open an account. You're going to put your email address. So I'm going to use my dummy account. Put a username. Oh. Put a password. Choose your country, then create account. Create account. So once you're in here, you're going to select an individual account. Don't worry about the rest of these right now. You can also do a tax-free savings, but we're just going to do that. I'll put my province. Now you're going to put some information about yourself. Put first and last name, middle name if you choose to. Put your address, your city, your province or state zip or postal code. Fill out all this information here, your phone number, your date of birth, your marital status, tax residency, social insurance number, employment. Then it wants to know your source of wealth, so how you've acquired your money. This is to avoid any people that are trying to do money laundering. So put all the stuff where you got money from. Be truthful. Then the account information, how you want it to be in either US or Canadian. I'm Canadian, so I have it in Canadian dollars. Choose your security questions. So 3 of them. Choose 3 of them, and then you hit continue. That's it. Don't overthink it. The biggest mistake most people make is researching the platform. Just pick one and move on. Now, everyone's going to tell you, do your research before buying. But here's what they don't tell you for your first stock. You want something boring and predictable. I'm going to give you 3 stock starter packs that I give all my students. The first you want to choose is a bank stock. For Canadians, it could be Royal Bank of Canada. Americans, it could be JP Morgan. Why? Because people always need banks. They pay their dividends and they're not going anywhere. The next is a utility company. Something like Fortis, NextEra Energy, Enbridge. People always need electricity. Boring? Yes. Profitable? Absolutely. The third is a consumer staple, something like Procter & Gamble or even Walmart. Even in a recession, people always need toothpaste and soap, even in a recession. This isn't sexy, but it works. While everyone's chasing the next Tesla, you're building wealth with companies that have been paying dividends for decades. And if you don't know what dividends are, it's a portion of the company's profit that they share with the stockholders. Here's the moment of truth, actually buying the stock. So if you go to Wealthsimple or Interactive Brokers in the app, you're going to search for the company. Let's say Royal Bank. The ticker symbol for Royal Bank is RY or RY.TO. You'll see the current price. Let's say it's $150. Now you have 2 options. You could do a market order or a limit order. For beginners, I always recommend a limit order. A limit order is you're setting the maximum price that you're willing to pay. So if the stock is $150, you might set your limit to $149. That protects you from paying too much if the stock price jumps. Start with $5 to $10. You don't have to go crazy with it. This is about learning, not getting rich overnight. By the way, if you want the complete system on how I pick stocks, manage risk, and build wealth, you can book a free call with me where I can walk you through the step-by-step process. The link is down below. Now you might be thinking, what if I lose money? Here's the truth, you might lose money by doing nothing. The stock market has returned an average of 10% per year for the last 100 years. Your savings account's giving you maybe 1 to 2%, you're already losing. Plus, the companies that I just showed you, you're not investing in just some startup companies. You're buying pieces of businesses that have survived wars, recessions, and even pandemics. I've seen too many people over the years spend years learning about investing and never actually starting. Meanwhile, people who just bought their first stocks with $200 are now sitting on tens of thousands in their portfolio. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. Your future will thank you for starting now instead of waiting for the perfect moment. If you want to fast track this process and learn my complete system for building wealth in the stock market, you can book a call with me down below. It's absolutely free and I'll walk you through the process that I've used. This isn't some get rich quick scheme. Those things don't work. As fast as money comes is as fast as it will go. This is about building wealth over time so you can actually get back your time. The link's down in the description. If you want to see my complete stock market strategy, how to research stocks, when I buy, when I sell, and how I manage risk, you can watch this video next. It's everything that I know about investing in one video. Make sure you subscribe. I break down money moves like this. Real strategies, real results, no BS.